Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 2 low messy buns with braids. So if you guys want to see how I get these looks, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that my hair is nice and freshly washed. I'm going to put all of my hair onto one side and I'm going to add a little bit of texture spray into my hair. I'm using the one from Unite and I really love it. After that, I'm going to use a wet brush to make sure that my hair is nice and tangle free, and I'm going to start a Dutch braid. Since this braid is more on the side, I'm going to make sure that I'm grabbing enough pieces from the back to make sure that I fill in the braid as well as the bun. And I'm just going to keep braiding all the way down. Once I'm done braiding, I'm going to grab all of my hair and put it into a bun. I'm using an elastic by Gimme Beauty, and I find that it has a great hold for thick hair. Now I'm just going to pancake my braid out to make it look super big and messy. For the remaining hair, I'm just going to grab half of it, twist it, poof it out a little bit, and then twist it around my bun and secure it. And I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other half of my hair. And here is the finished look for the first style. For the second style, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing, but instead of a Dutch braid, I'm going to do a regular French braid. And again, I'm making sure that I'm grabbing pieces from the back as well, since this bun is going to be more to the side than the back. I'm going to use the same elastic to make a bun. I'm going to take very thin pieces and just pull them out to make the braid look a lot fluffier. Take 2 pieces of my hair, twist it around, poof it out, and then secure it into the elastic. And here is the finished style for the second look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!